The iOS version of Microsoft Edge now offers extensions. Now, this is the latest update and the latest version of Microsoft Edge browser for iOS, which is version 139.3405.101. Now, don't get too excited because the extensions that's currently available for download or for installation is not really extensive. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and open your browser, and then on the lower right hand corner you will see there the three bars or the burger menu. Go ahead and tap it, and from there you will see extensions as one of the options. So if you tap on the extensions, you will see there are about 12 extensions that are currently available. Now, these extensions are not really the extensions that I'm looking forward to or the ones that I was expecting to see, but definitely I'm looking forward that more desktop version extensions will be made available in the iOS or in the mobile version. Now, I would like to know, what extension are you looking forward to see in the iOS or the mobile version? So leave those in the comments. That would be it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Florante, and I'll see you on the next one.